Winnie the Pooh approved.
If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now.
All right, everybody, welcome back. Great to see you. We're gonna catch a buzz with our cuz today. Our buzz will not be coming from this guy, it'll be coming from this guy. So, not beer, bees. We're gonna make hot honey today. This is something that's really versatile. Everybody loves it. If you've had hot honey before, hit that thumbs up, comment below and tell us about it. If you haven't, hit the thumbs up and follow us because you're gonna wanna see more of these types of videos, because after you try this, you're not gonna just want it, you're gonna also need it. And because it goes on everything. Pizza, charcuterie boards, cheese, wings, fried chicken, you name it. You can put it on anything. Hot honey. How do we make it? Pretty simple. We know we need honey. A serrano. Here's where my heat's gonna come from. I love serranos. Jalapenos are also great. Any pepper will do. Scotch bonnets, habaneros, they're gonna really the spice right in your face. But I think this is gonna be good. It's gonna be a slow ramp with the ancho into the serrano. So I found some ancho chili powder. They have a really nice, very light heat to them. A lot of chili flavor, not a lot of burn. It's gonna be very balanced, beautiful. And then we're also going to finish it off with some apple cider vinegar. Public service announcement, really important. Fight the urge to taste test the hot honey while it's on the stove. Burning hot honey in your mouth is something that's very difficult to recover from. This is your warning. Flashing lights, warning, warning, warning. Attenzione, attenzione, warning. Achtung. The heat is pulling the spice and the flavor out of the peppers. It's also pulling it out of the chili powder. So we're gonna let this cool for 15 to 20 minutes, and then you can strain it into a glass container if you like. Probably gonna strain it directly into an old pickle jar, right? This is our version of recycling. And then we're also going to divvy them out into these little glasses here, because we're gonna give them as gifts. Everybody loves hot honey. So we have these neat little containers here. So we're gonna strain it into here and then we're gonna portion it out. But, we made this video so that you could do it at any time to the heat preference that you like. And again, now look, we're giving it as gifts. You can give it as gifts too. Everybody loves that. And we love when you comment below. Let us know. Did you like the video? Do you want to see more things like this? I do. I love catching a buzz with your cuz. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, commenting below, and sharing it with all of your friends on YouTube and every other platform that you're on and that we're on too. See you next week. Hell of a hot toddy.